our bronze medalist. Congratulations from Tanhai City, represented by Tanhai National High School. Their players are jersey number 12, Aguilet Sarah Angelman. Jersey number 4, Baba Julita. Jersey number 10, Kagkaban Rinalyn. Jersey number 6, Kandaydai the Lazy Maries. Jersey number 16, Kalumbang Kate Luis. Jersey number 8, Gahi Bethany. Jersey number 11, Lerazan Sue Aldi. Jersey number 1, Montero Charmaine Nicole. Jersey number 2, the team captain, Pinanona Elite Dimes. Jersey number 3, Saloma Joyce Ann. Jersey number 5, Suela Fiona Grace. Jersey number 13, Rosales Jesselyn. Jersey number 9, Coble Shallow Andrea. Jersey number 15, Torres Edo Monique. Jersey number 7, Toayan Marian. Head coach, Sir Jerry Nino Bisario. Assistant coach, Sir Reynold Tablo. And the chaperone, Lady Rose Bisario. Congratulations to Team Tanhai City for making it to the podium and bringing home the bronze medal.